What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Today we at Jamaica Aggregates. I mean, sand and gravel company. Yeah, this is the truck yard. I'll show you all around. All of that will be refined and used. This is across the street from the aggregates. This is the tire center. Change tires, pump, all kind of things, patch tires, and so on. There's a lot of trucks out here in St. Thomas. This truck is hauling about a couple hundred blocks, 500 or more. Tractor's about to leave. Got the little kid changing the tire, huh? Some grown men don't want to do nothing now. Look a boy at work, eh? It's crazy. This culvert was recently built to be a part of the drainage system. We'll see how this works out. This is a beautiful truck. Yeah, brother. Yeah, it's a beautiful sight there, YouTube. Thanks for watching my videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if it's your first time seeing me. The more likes, the more comments, YouTube picks it up, sends it through the algorithm. So I kindly appreciate it, gladly appreciate it if you leave a like. Bless up. Thanks for watching.